Want a big tablet but don't want to spend a lot of money? How about the Fire HD 10 from Amazon? We'll check it out right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name is Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. But for now, back to the video. Now, I've already taken a look at the HD 8, so this is going to be very similar. There's only a couple of differences between the two. If you haven't seen that review, go ahead and click this right up here and you can check that out. So I'm not going to go over a lot of the same things. However, I will go over some of the things that make it a little bit different. Well, first of all, the HD 10 is 10 inches, as if you couldn't figure that out by the name. Secondly, it's a 1080p display. The HD 8 is only 720p. And obviously with the screen being bigger, your battery life's not going to be quite as good. It's at 10 hours rather than 12. But that's still pretty good, and considering you'd probably just be watching movies and stuff on this thing anyway, after you're done a movie, just hit it on the charger. So 1080p, 32 gigs, quad core, more RAM. That's all nice, but let's get it out of the box. To a familiar sight, but this time in 10 inches. Now, the HD 10 has been out for a little while now, and the question is it still good in 2018? The performance on this thing, for as big as it is and as inexpensive as it is, regularly priced $150 and sometimes on sale at $99, is crazy. This thing is super durable. It's a little bit thick and a little bit heavy. You could probably knock someone out with it, but the quality is there, and it's really like very durable. They actually talk about how it's much more durable than the iPad Pro. But Amazon, slow down a little bit. You should not compare yourself to an iPad Pro. Now, as I've talked about before, there are some problems with trying to get good apps on here. But again, I'll leave a link to a video that'll show you how to get Google Play on here so that really it becomes a very powerful Android tablet. But what really sets this apart is built-in Alexa. Now, if you know anything about me, I love Alexa. Matter of fact, I barely can say her name in my house without 27 different devices going off. The only reason they're not going off now is because I've muted all of them. But the point is, now you have one on the go. Really, anywhere you have Wi-Fi access, you have access to Alexa. What time is it?
It's 11:06 a.m.
And that's what makes this thing so valuable. Access to hands-free, even screen off Alexa. What's the weather like?
In Renton, it's 51 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for showers with a high of 57 degrees and a low of 41 degrees.
I didn't want to hear that. So this basically makes this an Echo Show to go. I mean, essentially, this is like an Echo Show, except for you can take it places. You can still do phone calls, automation, turn your lights on and off. You can do everything you can do on your Echo Show. And the fact that it's hands-free, so you don't actually even have to touch it in order to invoke those commands, makes it exactly like an Echo. Now, of course, an Echo Show has a better speaker, but you can Bluetooth this to better speakers. So why wouldn't you buy this? I really believe there's only a couple different people that would actually not buy this, and mostly those are iPad lovers. And that's okay, I actually have an iPad myself, it's my main tablet. And for productivity, you're probably better off with that. But to be honest, almost every single thing else you can do on an Amazon tablet, especially if you sideload Google Play. Then you have all the Android apps as well. I don't know, it just seems like a better value overall. While I've shown you the interface before, one thing that I think is really cool is being able to use Alexa to get around in things. Alexa, show the tick. No, I have to search for nothing. So yes, this is an Alexa tablet. You can completely navigate the entire tablet using your voice. Listen, I don't know what else to tell you. You're either gonna buy this at this point or you're not. If you're not, check out one of my other videos. But if you are, what are we doing? Order it now! If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and tell all your friends. We do this every single week. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.